Woof woof, bargain hunters! Bella here, and I just sniffed out Aldi's July 8th sneak peek before anyone else. Family of 4, tiny budget, huge finds. That's my whole vibe. Stick around because today's drop is stacked. Comment sneak peek if you're ready to see what's coming. This first page is all about back to school. Classroom treasure boxes, teacher planners, dry erase boards, cute drinkware, and adorable decor to make any classroom or home desk pop. Prices start under $2 and top out under $20. Basically everything a teacher, parent, or student needs before that first bell rings. Comment teacher if you're shopping for someone who deserves a raise. Flip the page and we go from backpacks to blenders. This spread is stacked with kitchen must-haves like cookware sets, bakeware, and small appliances, plus cozy home essentials like pillows, comforters, sheet sets, and storage. Basically everything you need to refresh a kitchen or bedroom without draining your wallet. Comment cozy if this is your kind of aisle. Preparing for the new term? Check out these essentials arriving on July 8th. All right, pack your bags. Let's start with back to school. First up, the Kirkton House Classroom Treasure Box for just $9.99. It's packed with mini toys, stickers, and trinkets, perfect for a prize box or treasure chest at school. Teachers, this is your whole year of rewards in one box. Comment treasure if you need this for your classroom. Next up, the Crofton Glass Cup with lid. Only $3.99 each. Cute pattern, built-in straw, and it's glass, so no weird plastic taste. Great for iced coffee, lemonade, or just looking adorable on a desk. Grab the Live in Style 3-pack neoprene drink sleeves for $4.99. These slide right over your favorite cup to keep drinks cold and your hands dry. No more sweaty tumblers ruining your homework. Comment sleeves if you're stocking up. The Pembroke Fidget Collection Box is $12.99 and comes with 26 pieces. Perfect for restless hands, sensory breaks, or keeping little fingers busy on long car rides. Little Town Foam Blocks, $16.99 for 52 lettered foam pieces plus 100 foam pegs. Soft, safe, and great for building letters, words, and imaginations. A solid pick for younger siblings tagging along on school shopping day. Perrine Reward Certificates or Sticker Book, just $2.99 each. 100 certificates across 4 fun designs like Great Work and Kindness Star, an easy way to celebrate the little wins all year long. Comment Gold Star if you're a teacher who needs these. Sunbird Books Picture Book, $6.99 each. Like Unicorns Have Bad Manners, silly stories kids will beg to read again and again. Perfect for a classroom library or bedtime shelf. Yep, these Pembroke Reward Certificates or sticker books are so good, we're showing them twice. Still $2.99 each, and still an Aldi must-grab for any teacher's toolkit. Easy Home Zipper Cases, just $3.99. Clear, sturdy, and great for pencils, cords, makeup, or first aid essentials. Toss one in a backpack, purse, or junk drawer, and boom, instantly organized. Sarah Teacher Accessories, $4.99. An adorable apple and pencil hair clip that says Teacher Loud and Proud. The cutest little gift for the educator in your life. Comment Best Teacher to tag someone who deserves one. Pembroke Dry Erase Board or Chalkboard, $9.99 each. Perfect for planning the week, practicing letters, or leaving cute notes on the fridge. Wipes clean in seconds. Mess-free fun. Pembroke Clipfolio or Expandable File Folder, $6.99. Keep permission slips, worksheets, and paperwork from turning into chaos. A parent or teacher's secret weapon for staying organized. The Pembroke Laminator is $19.99 and comes with pouches included. Laminate flashcards, name tags, or classroom signs so they survive the whole school year, and then some. Comment laminate if you need this ASAP. Pearlbrook Teacher Planner, just $8.99, includes lesson pages and weekly spreads for the 2026-2027 school year. Every teacher needs one spot to keep it all together, and this floral cutie does the job in style. Smithsonian Education Rug, $19.99. A giant world map covered in animals kids can find, learn, and explore. turns floor time into geography class without anyone realizing it's educational. Create an engaging environment with this Pembroke bulletin board set. It's a colorful addition to any space for just $2.99. Pembroke office accessories set, $2.99. Adorable fruit-shaped clips, pins, and tacks. Function meets cute in one tiny budget-friendly package. Kirkton House back-to-school gel clings, just $1.99. Stick them on windows, mirrors, or lockers for an instant first day of school celebration. Comment first day if you're counting down. Okay, backpacks are packed. Now let's head into the kitchen and bedroom for some serious home upgrades. Crofton 5-piece detachable nesting cookware set, $29.99. The handle detaches so all the pots nest together and barely take up cabinet space. A total win for small kitchens. Crofton 3-piece bakeware set, $14.99. Cookie sheets and a mini pan for all your baking needs. Perfect for weekend cookies or holiday treats without buying out the whole bakeware aisle. Ambiano high-speed blending set, $19.99. Comes with to-go cups so you can blend a smoothie and take it straight out the door. Comment smoothie if your mornings need an upgrade. Umbanio electric kettle or 2-slice toaster, $19.99 each. Quick tea, quick toast, quick mornings. And the matching blue design makes your counter look as good as it works. Crofton air fryer liner, just $6.99. Reusable and cuts cleanup time way down. If you air fry weekly, this pays for itself fast. Crofton 8-piece mix and prep set, $9.99. Nesting bowls with measuring cups and a colander tucked right in. One set, endless meal prep. Crofton 3-piece bento box with lid, $4.99. Built-in fork, snug compartments, perfect portion control for lunches on the go. Crofton 3-piece glass food storage set, $12.99. Glass means no staining, no weird smells, and it's safe to reheat leftovers straight in the container. Comment meal prep if you're a leftover lover. Kirkton House washable kitchen mat, $7.99. Cushions your feet at the sink and wipes clean in seconds. Pretty florals, zero fuss. Easy Home painted trash can, $24.99. Step-open lid means hands-free tossing, and the sleek painted finish looks way more expensive than it is. Kirkton House wedge pillow, $14.99. Perfect for propping up a laptop, book, or tablet in bed. Comfy reading just got a serious upgrade. Kirkton House bolster pillow, $12.99. Great for lumbar support, extra couch comfort, or just cozying up your bedroom decor. Kirkton House full queen or king composter, $19.99. Soft, waffle textured, and budget friendly enough to refresh a whole bedroom without breaking the bank. Comment cozy bed if you need a bedding refresh. Kirkton House full queen or king sheet set, $14.99. Soft, breathable, and easy to match with that comforter. New sheets, new mood. Easy Home flexi hamper, just $4.99. Collapsible, easy to carry, and a laundry day lifesaver for tiny closets and dorm rooms. Kirkton Home 2x4 plush or Berber rug, $5.99. The perfect little accent rug for a bathroom, entryway, or bedside. Soft under your feet. Kirkton House 5x7 plush or Berber rug, $22.99. The bigger sibling of that last rug, ready to anchor a living room or bedroom for way less than you'd expect. Kirkton House decorative rope basket, $4.99. Stylish storage for blankets, toys, or all that mail you keep meaning to sort. Comment organize me if your house needs this. Kirkton House collapsible zip storage, $4.99. Folds flat when empty, holds a ton when full. A closet's best friend. Kirkton House vanity storage box, $4.99. Keep jewelry, hair clips, and little treasures tucked away and tangle-free. Cute enough to leave right on the dresser. That's this week's sneak peek, bargain hunters. Which find are you grabbing first? Drop it in the comments, hit like, share this with your favorite budget bestie, and subscribe so you never miss a frugal fork drop. Bella out! Happy shopping!